Good morning, students. Today we will solve exercise 22b. So, before solving this exercise, you should know operation of reflection of simple 2D images. 2D means two dimensional objects. Okay, so 2D means two dimensional, 3D means three dimensional. Okay, D stands for dimensional. So, first of all, how to do it? Image as far as behind the mirror line as object in or in front. Okay, so images are as far as behind the mirror line as the objects are in the front. Okay, so here you can see some images, means like you have to draw the images, like you can see here, reflect the given shape in the symmetric line. So whatever the image is forming here, so same that you have to, what after the this image means through this image line, what will be the image, what will be the picture will be formed, that you have to write here, means that you have to mention. Okay, so this is the object means, and after this that is the original image, and this is the reflected image. Okay, so after reflection how it will form, so that is that you have to do in this exercise. So for it, for drawing to get the any reflection of the image, so first of all what you have to do, you have to draw the perpendicular line, means that will be exactly between this. Okay, between of that two images, and just whatever the length is here, the same will be formed there. So here, so that same things will be the another side. Okay, so both side it will be the same, that is the, and also whenever you will flip this image, it will be completely, it will be covered. Okay, it will be completely covered to the each other. So let's see the some examples are there. Okay, so directly you solve this exercise 22b. Okay, reflect the shapes below in the mirror line and draw the images. So this is the line. Okay, so this is the mirror, so this here you have to draw the images of this line. So how after, means if you will see this image in your mirror, how it will look like. Suppose this image if you will see in the mirror, how it will be look like, means you can do in the practical also. At your home there is a mirror also, you just put you just take the help of the mirror, and you can see which type of image is forming. So these are the some questions you have to draw the images of that, like here is the image, so how it will look here. So for this, how, means this is the reflect these shapes and dotted line, so how it will be look here. So for this I just I have solved already. You just see the solution of all. So first of all you just see it, this is the, this is the line. So after the reflection how it will look like, so this will be your answer. Okay, so after reflection how it will be look like this. Okay, so that this is your answer. Okay, so you can see here, and you can just draw like this. Number 3 you can see, here is the number 3. Okay, number 3 is the number 4, here is the number 4. Okay, this is number 4, this is number 5, it's a reflection will look like this. Number 6, reflection will look like this. Okay, now here is that number 7. So here see number 7, how it will be like this. This is for the number 8, and this is for the number 9. You just see it and you can draw. Here is, this is your question, you can see how it will be. These are the givens, so this side it will be completely, it will be fulfilled. So here you can see, here it is. Now here you, this dot you can see, it is, this part is given. So this part the same thing will be drawn here also in here. So that is drawn over here, see. Okay, now here one part is given, so this part will continue here also, it will be continued. So you can continue it from here. So this is the solution, you just draw in your copy. Okay, once again I just show you the all the solutions. Okay, now next you can see, this is the finding the reflection line. So that line you can, two images are there, so you have to find the reflection line, means symmetry line you have to find out. So how you will do it, so you have to draw the perpendicular line from this point to this point. You have to, you have from this point to this point you have to draw the line. Then after by the help of compass you just draw the perpendicular line from here to here. Okay, same like this perpendicular line 90-degree angle. So that will be the your perpendicular line between these two figures. Okay, so the line of reflection is the perpendicular bisector of line joining any point on the object and its image. So it is about the how to find the line of symmetry. Two images are there, suppose these two images you have. Okay, these two images is there. Now you have to draw the line of symmetry. Line of symmetry is not given, so what you have to do, any 2 point you have to join. Okay, after joining this you have to draw the perpendicular line, means you have to perpendicular bisector, you have to divide into two equal parts. So you can take the help of compass, take the put the metal tip over here, stretch it and take the more than the half, one cut here, one cut here. From this point again you cut it and just join it. So this will be the line of symmetry. So simple one. Okay, so here this is the line of reflection is the perpendicular bisector of the line joining by any point on the object and its image. Okay, so this is the revision exercise. So now you have to do it also. This is your homework revision exercise, you have to do it. Okay, now here is some chapter summary. So the reflection or image of point P or line M at point P, this is the reflection image. Okay, and this is the line of perpendicular bisector of this. So here is the most important one that you have to remember. This chart is very important. So how many line of symmetry for the shapes, that you have to remember. Okay, so here you have to remember, like for the line how many, if it is a line, so how many line of symmetry, infinite. A line segment, how many line of symmetry, 2. Angle, 1. Scalene, 0. How many line of symmetry, 0. Okay, isosceles, 1. Okay, equilateral triangle, how many symmetry, 3. Parallelogram, 0. Rhombus, 2. Okay, trapezium, 1. So this numbers you have to remember. These are the line of symmetry. Rectangle how many, 2. Square, 4. Okay, kite, 1. Arrow headed how many, 1. Semicircle, 1. Circle, infinite. Okay, in the circle, because in the circle how many diameters, infinite diameters. So infinite diameter means infinite number of symmetrical figures, means symmetry lines. Because in the circle how many diameters, infinite diameters, so infinite line of symmetry it will be also. Okay, regular pentagon, 5 sides, so 5. Regular hexagon, 6. Regular hexagon, regular means that's all the sides and angles should be equal. Regular octagon, 8. Okay, so you have to remember, you have to learn it. Okay, this chart you have to write in your copy and learn it. Okay, so in the case of line it is the infinite, and in the case of circle it is a infinite. Okay, and where is the 0, scalene. Okay, in the scalene it is a, in the scalene you can see it is the 0. Okay, and in the parallelogram how many line of symmetry, 0, and the scalene triangle also 0. And where is the infinite, line and circle. Okay, so just you go through and learn it. Okay.